The new updated Siri on iOS 18.1 has a few hidden features up its sleeve, one of which is the ability to now browse Apple support documentation to give you suggestions and tech tips for your phone. A little bit like my videos do, but without my cool and cheerful little face, I suppose. If I press and hold to activate Siri, you'll get that new lovely glow around the screen, and then I can simply ask it a question. Let's go with, how do I turn off Wi-Fi? And just like that, you'll get a step-by-step guide on how to do that on your phone. And Siri can deal with multiple requests as well. So let's try asking it another question. And how do I change my wallpaper? Once again, Siri is going to give you a step-by-step guide from the Apple support documentation. And how do I put my icons in dark mode? Sometimes, if it's a really simple request, Siri will literally give you the toggle there and then in the response. From here I can turn on or off dark mode without ever having to go into Control Center or anywhere else. And whilst the new Siri definitely looks different and more modern, it doesn't yet have all of the features that Apple promised in WWDC last year. As more updates come out to iOS 18 and beyond, we're hoping that more Siri features will come as well. And if you want to see what's new and what's changed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because the minute the next update comes out, you can bet there'll be videos here waiting for you to learn all about what's new on your iPhone. I'll see you next time.